On arrival of TRT at site, side plows are lowered to remove the excess ballast from shoulder. The joint introduced before the block is now opened by removing the fish bowls and fish plates. The rail from the rear end of joint is slewed out. Sled is now lowered from the beam car on the sleeper in the length over which rail is slewed out and tied with the rail ahead with the help of a chain. Idle bogie of TRT is lowered on the sled and locked to prevent any relative movement. The tying chain is then removed. The rail from the front end is threaded out with the help of clamps and joined with the rear end rail in threaded out position. The TRT is pulled ahead along with the sled. The old sleepers over a length of about 7.3 meters behind the sled are removed manually as the TRT moves ahead. The ballast is also leveled manually. The pickup wheel is lowered over the leveled bed to pick up the old sleepers. After removal of sleepers, dynamic plough is lowered to level the ballast. Over the length where old sleepers are removed, leveling and consolidation of ballast is being done by dynamic plough. The excess ballast is removed towards the shoulder to facilitate laying of new sleepers. The old sleepers are carried on lower conveyor to the handling car. Portals on BRH wagon carry these sleepers from handling car to empty BRH wagon. With the new concrete sleepers, the portals run on modified BRH wagons and feed them to the handling car. From the handling car, these sleepers are transported by upper conveyor and laid on the track one by one. New sleepers are placed automatically at correct spacing and properly squared with the help of duly adjusted sleeper spacer. The spacing is adjusted with the help of the index wheel, which has its perimeter equal to sleeper spacing. On completion of one rotation of the index wheel, the sleeper layer gets a signal and the next sleeper is laid. Grooved rubber pads are placed on the rail seats before the rails are threaded in. With the help of side rollers, the rails are threaded in automatically on the new sleepers. The ERC should be greased as per laid down procedure in P-way manual. Then the liners and ERCs are fixed either manually or by snapping the clips into position by the clip applicator. Cutout procedures. Cut the rails where sleeper replacement should cease and reverse of the steps of cut-in procedures is adopted. Check rails which are